Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel today. Today we're going to use Google's Gemini again, but this time we're going to use its deep research feature to compare the value of electric cars. Think about this as a capability that can compare anything or do any research for you. So the first thing I want you to do is create a prompt to compare any items you want. In this case, we're going to compare the 10 most sold electric cars under $50,000. I've already drafted it so you don't have to watch me type, and I'm pasting it in right here. As always, I will put the prompt that I used in the comments and description. After you've got the prompt exactly how you like it, make sure you click this deep research button at the bottom and then click send or the enter button. Unlike normal searches, this search may take a while, and by that I mean minutes, so I'm going to let it process and we'll come back. One of the cool things about deep search is that you can see it thinking. It goes through the process, it shows you the references, and it eventually gives you an output. However, before it starts, it will actually give you a summary of what it thought it heard from you, and you can look at it, review it, edit it if needed, and then once you're comfortable, click Start Research, and then it will go through the process of showing you its reasoning and references. I'm not going to show you all of the processing. You can get a sense for what it's doing here, and also you can see it when you put whatever you're trying to compare or research. Bottom line is, let's skip ahead to the end here. This particular analysis took about 4 minutes. Had I done this on my own, it probably would have taken hours, if not days. Once the research completes, you'll notice an export button at the top. Click on the down arrow. You'll see two options, export to docs or copy. Export to docs puts it in your Google Documents folder, and copy is exactly what it is. I'm going to do that so you can see it. I'm going to jump over to a blank Google document and I'm going to paste it into the document. Basically, this is the manual step to do what it would have automatically done had I just selected the Google Docs drop-down option. And there you have it. Your research is complete. It includes references so you can check them if you want to, and it has a bottom line conclusion. I'm going to attach this document in the comments so you can see the details. I would encourage you to try this on anything you want to research, from prescription drugs to hobbies, sports statistics, just about anything you can think of. And if you're wondering what it recommended, it broke the recommendation into 6 categories for the budget-conscious buyer, the range-focused consumer, the tech-savvy driver, the family-oriented buyer, the performance enthusiast, within budget, and the balanced value seeker. Anyway, see the results in the comments and let me know what you think.
No way.